Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's topic is peak performance in the present, mastering trendy motivation. Greetings, adventurers. Today, we embark on a journey to the summit of human potential. We'll explore the landscape of peak performance, navigating the treacherous terrain of distractions and self-doubt. Our guide? Trendy motivation, a powerful tool for unlocking your inner fire and achieving remarkable things. The power of the present. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in the whirlwind of the past and the anxieties of the future. Trendy motivation reminds us of the immense power of the present moment. It's in this sacred space where dreams are born, goals are set, and actions are taken. By focusing on the here and now, we tap into a reservoir of energy and clarity, propelling us towards our aspirations. Embracing the trend. The term, trendy motivation, might initially raise eyebrows. But fear not, for trends offer valuable insights into the zeitgeist, reflecting the collective desires and priorities of a generation. By understanding the trending motivational approaches, we can glean valuable tools and techniques to tailor our own path to peak performance. Trendy motivation techniques. 1. Microdosing inspiration. In a world saturated with information, it's easy to become overwhelmed. 1. Trendy motivation advocates for microdosing inspiration through bite-sized content. 1. Short, impactful quotes, inspirational videos, or even a quick meditation can be the spark that ignites your inner fire. 2. Community connection. Humans are social creatures, and support is vital for sustained growth. 2. Trendy motivation encourages building a supportive community, be it online or offline. 2. Sharing goals, celebrating victories, and offering encouragement to others can be a powerful source of motivation and accountability. 3. Biohacking. Trendy motivation embraces the science of self-improvement. 3. Biohacking techniques like optimizing sleep, practicing mindfulness, and experimenting with new tropics can enhance your cognitive function and energy levels, paving the way for peak performance. 4. Gamification. Turning the journey into a game can add a thrilling element to self-improvement. 4. Trendy motivation encourages utilizing gamification techniques like setting challenges, earning rewards, and tracking progress to maintain engagement and fuel your motivation. 5. Personalization. Trendy motivation is not a one-size-fits-all approach. 5. It emphasizes the importance of understanding your unique needs and preferences. 5. Experiment with different techniques and tools to discover what works best for you. Beyond trends. Cultivating your inner fire. While trendy motivation offers valuable tools, it's important to remember that external sources can only take you so far. True peak performance stems from a deep wellspring of intrinsic motivation, a burning desire that resides within you. Here are some ways to cultivate this inner fire. 1. Define your values. What matters most to you? Identifying your core values provides a compass for navigating life's choices and finding purpose in your endeavors. 2. Set meaningful goals. Goals give us direction and focus, but they must be meaningful to be truly motivating. 2. Set goals that align with your values and aspirations, and you'll find yourself naturally drawn towards their achievement. 3. Embrace challenges. Difficulty breeds resilience. 3. View challenges not as obstacles but as opportunities to learn, grow, and become stronger. 3. This mindset shift can fuel your determination and propel you forward. 4. Celebrate progress. It's easy to get discouraged when focusing solely on the mountaintop. 4. Take time to celebrate your accomplishments, big and small. 4. Acknowledging your progress will keep you motivated and energized for the journey ahead. 5. Practice gratitude. Cultivating an attitude of gratitude shifts your focus towards the positive aspects of your life. 5. This shift in perspective can boost your happiness, resilience, and overall well-being. The journey to peak performance is an ongoing adventure. There will be moments of doubt, fatigue, and frustration. But by embracing the power of the present, harnessing the tools of trendy motivation, and cultivating your inner fire, you can overcome any obstacle and achieve remarkable things. Remember, you are capable of more than you can imagine. So, embrace the journey, conquer your fears, and reach the summit of your potential. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.